Okay na.
Let's get it on. Rodilla. Soriano. Fires a tray. No. Rebound by number 16. Vidalion with the basketball. Over to number 8. Cass. Shoots. In and out. Rebound Esperanza. Rodina against the loose ball. Rodina drives. Rodina kicks out. Esperanza shoots. No. Soriano, offensive rebound. Nakakaon sa likod. Good defense. Number 30 to number 81, Aguilar. Cass. 13 on the shot clock. Number 23, Vidalion. To number 81, 2 points for number 81. Our first field goal of the ball game, making our tally 2-0 after 9 minutes. Rana, playing the point guard position, 15 to shoot. He wants a man in the middle. Gives it to Soriano. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Esperanza, Soriano drives. No. Rebound number 16. Over to Garcia. Garcia scores. 2 points, 4-0. 8 minutes and 25 remaining in the first. Rana signals the play. Rana. The block floor. Soriano. 7 seconds to shoot. Rana. Rana fires. Gets some friendly rounds. 4-2. Official tally. With 8 minutes and 2. In our first quarter, here's Cass. Gives it to Garcia, number 30. Over to number 16, fakes. Gives it to Aguilar. Aguilar fires on alone. Aguilar! Three! Our first three-pointer of the ball game. Making our tally 72. Soriano. Soriano. Lacaflor, his own version. No. Riga, 23. Vidalion, 3-on-2. Cass, shoots. Yes, sir. 9-2. Official tally with 7 minutes and 14 in the first. Rodina with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Rana. Esperanza, back to Rana. Fires the play. Sure. 3 seconds to shoot. Maras. Purple ball. Garcia. Gives it to Aguilar. Aguilar takes the pass. Garcia to Alameda. Cass. No. Rebound Esperanza. Soriano. 4-on-2 break. Soriano steps on the gas. Soriano pitches a foul. On number 8, Cass. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 24, Soriano. Goal of the first is Soriano. Last throw on the way. Soriano takes the vote. Official tally is 9-4. Vidalion. 13 to shoot. Aguilar drives baseline. Lays up. No. Esperanza with the board. Esperanza gets the ball. Esperanza. Gives it to Rana. 3-on-1. Rana. Lays up. 2 points. 96 is a 3-point deficit. 1 possession ball game. Garcia to Aguilar. Aguilar quickly shoots. Ronquillo with the board. Quickly to Soriano. Soriano all the way. 2 points. 98, isa na lang ang nahabol ng MGX.
Volleyball. Pagod.
Cas.
Jin.
Garcia. Rebound Soriano. Ronquillo with the basketball. Ronquillo. But there's a foul. On number 13, Garcia. That is his first personal foul. Second team foul.
Dalawa na to eh.
15 to shoot. Esperanza loses the handle. Gets it back. Gets the foul to go. 10 to 9, our official tally. Vidalion. Aguilar at the post. Aguilar. But there's a foul.
Rana. First.
On number 10, Habana, that is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Dalawa na yung kabila, ano to eh.
Garcia with the basketball.
Ay, 5 minutes pala tayo. Palit pala yun.
Araneta fires. Araneta! Three!
Sub, sub, sub.
Change players. Change foul. Official score is 12 to 10 in favor of Panthers with 4 minutes and 31.
Game. Tuck in, jersey, tuck in. Bossing, tuck in, bossing.
Alcalde with the basketball. Alcalde sa ilalim. Number 5. Malolos. Out. Nagawan. Here's number 29. Nagawan. Good defense Alcalde. Alcalde drives, shoots, scores. 12 all. Our official tally with 4 minutes and 1 second remaining in the first. Number 22. No. Rebound. Alcalde. Alcalde, big double. Malolos, loses handle. Number 3.
Quickly to number 29, Seroy.
2 points. 14 to 12. Official tally. 3 minutes and 35. Blanco floor. Soriano. In the middle to Alcalde. 30 on the shot clock.
Ha? Hindi ba? Gagawin simbahan.
Alcalde gets the loose ball.
Renovate.
Oo, re-renovate.
Purple ball.
Para sa uniform.
Ayun nga pala. Mamaya na lang pag half time, pag nag-buzzer. May penalty kasi yun yung uniform. Para tuloy-tuloy tayo.
Villanueva. Number 29, 29 rather. 11. Number 26, David fires. Short. Rebound Soriano. Soriano. Takes it all the way. Scores. 14 apiece our official time.
Mamaya po. Para pag tuloy-tuloy, pag nag-buzzer, free throw po kayo.
Hindi yung time out. Ano?
Villanueva.
Kada
40 shot clock.
Isa lang. Dalawa sa third quarter.
Rebound Soriano.
Pwede
Alcalde.
Sa second quarter, pwede nyo magamit. Pero pag hindi nyo ginamit hanggang second quarter, di nyo madadala sa third quarter.
Last touch on purple. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 16 to shoot. Blanco floor. Soriano. Blanco. Blanco shoots. Blanco scores. 16 for Nagawan in the Blanco. Which is a foul on number 29, Seroy. That is his first personal foul. Second team foul.
Second. Dito. Ito pinagin mo sa kabila. Binahin niya.
Blanc of Flor, this is on the first. Last throw is good. 1 out of 2 for Blanc of Flor, making our official tally at 17-14. 15 minutes and 1 second remaining.
Number 22, Venezuela. All 17, under 2 minutes. Soriano. 15 on the shot clock. Alcaide. 10 seconds to shoot. Lacaplo. Akawan. Seroy. Seroy is on 2 points. 19-17. Soriano. Soriano. Lead high by number 22, Tony Torba. 15 on the shot clock. Manolos. Games in the middle. Nakawan. Number 3. Number 9 rather. Number 22. No. Rebound Alcaide. Alcaide. Fishes a foul.
Third. 11.
Number 11 neglects having his first.
Third.
13 foul. 16 on the shot clock. Manolos. Manolos makes. Manolos fires. No. Rebound line. Lead pass to Seroy. Seroy. But there is a foul on number 0.
24.
Yung ano, naka-t-shirt, 0 na lang.
0 pala yun. Yung blank up lang.
Blanco, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 29, Seroy. No good in the second. Gerard returns that trip on the line. There is a loose ball foul on number 29. That is his second personal foul.
Fourth.
Ano, lagay warning for penalty. Ano na, Toy?
Warning for penalty.
Fourth na, fourth.
Alcaide. Alcaide. Nakagawan, bad pass. Iglesias. Iglesias 3 on 2. Raise up. No. Number 22, Torrenueva. Torrenueva, nilagit. Wala pa rin. Langkampo. No. 18 seconds to shoot. Blanco. 2 points. All 19. Last 10 seconds. Torrenueva. Torrenueva. Manolos, Lagaw. End of the first quarter. Our official score is 19 apiece.
Ayan na, ayusin natin yung ano, yung uniform.
Jay, ilan na lang uniform sa inyo, Jay? Jay, ilan mo lang uniform sa inyo? Ilan mo lang uniform? Dalawa. Ilan may isa sa kanila? Oo, sige. Free throw tayo, free throw. Penalty.
Yan naman na lang, cross out mo na lang yung tag-isa, bali dalawang free throw naman.
Good na. Shooting na lang.
Shooting na lang.
Oo, para pantay. Free throw tayo, boss.
Referee, penalty free throw for the uniforms owner.
Penalty muna, penalty. Penalty muna, penalty to uniform. Dalawa dito, dalawa.
Dalawa. Alam mo, nagkatala ng bola, malaki.
Ilan mo lang uniform sa inyo, Jay? Apat.
Oo.
Dalawa po, dalawa. Dalawa sa isang tao. Sa kanila, Jay, wala. Ilan uniform sa kanila?
Sa kalaban?
Oo.
Nagpalit na eh. Kanina naglaro siya.
Asan?
Hindi, nagpalitan nga siya ng 21 kanina. Kanina wala siyang jersey.
Ano yung jersey?
Meron na nga eh.
Meron na.
Nakashoot ba?
Oo, isa lang.
2 out of 4 on the penalty free throw, making our official score 21-19. Start of our second quarter. Volleyball. Zavala to start. There is a foul on number 35. Pushing foul. That is his first personal foul. 2 free throws for number 91, Solis.
First, team ball, toys. Isa sa MGX.
Di pumasok na.
Second throw. No good as well. 0 out of 2. Rana. Soriano. Triple try. No. Inbound success. Garcia. Locked. Manayaw is up. No. He gets his own miss. Same ball. 14 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Manayaw pulls up. Long. Nakakuha nila ng rebound. Rana. In the middle, Esperanza. No. Ilayon. Sa ilalim, number 91. 2 points. Credit assist to number 4 Manayaw. 2 points number 91. Official score is 23-19 in favor of Panthers. Rana with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Nakagawan. Ilayon takes the pass. Ilayon. Manayaw pulls up. No. Rebound Esperanza. Sa Mindanao.
Second quarter lang.
Gives it to Garcia.
Wala na.
Garcia. That's to the goal. That's a foul. On number 91.
Time out.
Number 91, that is his first personal foul. Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 23-19 in favor of Panthers with 8 minutes and 13 in our second quarter. Also the first team foul for Team Panthers.
Pasok yun to eh. Yan.
So the official score is 23-21.
Mamaya ka na mag-sub pag 5 minutes.
Wala pa.
Ha?
Wala lang kami.
Wala. Sige.
Uy, mag-talking ka na.
Takin bo. Takin siya. Takin.
Mga resilience talaga oh.
Bonus shot awarded to number 35, Garcia. Last throw. Garcia completes the 3-point play. Number 14, playing the point guard position for the Team Panthers. Sabaron. Number 91, Manayaw pulls up. Manayaw gets a friendly down. Official score is 25-22 in favor of Team Panthers. Esperanza shoots. No. Zavala. Manayaw pulls up. No. Number 14, Saberon. 3 seconds in the key. Turnover.
Sabi ko, may tuwing sasabi ko na, sabi ko, bukal natin ko.
Benito. Esperanza. shoot. One-hander. No. Offensive board. No. Rebound on Dina. Gives it to Benito. Number 66. Signal in the play. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Rana.
Mas maganda dyan, second game.
Esperanza.
Kaya lang.
Booksters tsaka ano,
Kaya lang natin.
Mascolados.
Teka lang nila. Sila L. Sila.
Oo.
Ngayon. Si L.
Second game sila. Oh, second
Yung
game.
mamaya nga.
Oo nga.
Yung mag-share.
Second game, mamaya. Sila Ivan, second game yun.
Bakal yun.
Balagbangan yun. Kalaban sila yung pula. Sila to.
Zabala. Sabirot.
Walang age yan. Walang age.
Number 91. Number 8 rather. No. But there is a loose ball foul on number 85, Garcia.
Open age.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul.
Kahit anong pwede. Ilan ang boss yun? Team ba?
Zabala. Manayaw. Manayaw number. Rebound Esperanza. Rondina. Benito. Benito. Shooting on the shot clock. Rana. Rana. Rondina. Sa ilalim. Garcia. No. Rebound. Benito. Benito. Benito fires. No. Rebound Esperanza. But there is a foul.
Final yun, 21.
Number 21,
First.
Leon, only his first personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul.
Pwede na po ba yan?
Pwede na, pwede na.
Bakit shoot na lang?
Wait lang, pag nag-shoot.
2 free throws awarded to Esperanza.
Sub.
Rookie of the first. Last throw.
Sige, pag pumasok mo na.
Is no good. Rebound number 91.
Traveling.
Traveling violation.
Sub.
Change players.
Dalawa pala yung medalyon, pati yung 23. Dalawa pala yung medalyon.
Hindi ko kilala pa. Pero ito sila MJ. Oo.
Benito shoots. Leon rebound.
Yun yung malakas to. Aguilar.
Yan. Patata.
Garcia, Aguilar, Medallon. Medallon!
Ayan.
Momon 20s.
Official score is 28-22. 4 minutes and 4
Matapa yung isa na yun, 17 pa lang daw yun eh.
Alin?
Yun, yung tumira ng 3.
Benito. Lamo. 10 to shoot. Alcaide. Boom. Rebound number 9. Black ball. Last touchdown to purple.
Under 9, because...
Gising lang kasi. Hindi pa yung stretching.
Alcaide. Benito. Blanco. Chase Blanco. Benito. 12 to shoot. Blanco floor. Benito. Wala. Ako na yung bola. No good. 4 seconds on the shot. Basket is good. That's a foul. On number 9. De Castro.
First.
Only the
Third.
first personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus free throw from Alcaide.
Nakakabiti.
Oh,
Nakabiti.
purple ball.
Nakakabiti yan, Jabiti.
Paano sila? Kilala mo? Hindi, basketball naman. Nag-push siya.
Runner, no. Gets his own miss. Medallon, no. But there's a
Siya yung
maximum
17.
foul
Ha?
Yung 17 years old siya dyan.
Yun, yung tumira.
on number
Titira.
5, Alcaide. Only his first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 23, Medallon.
Galing yan.
Ayun, tayo.
Cannot shoot on the first. No good on the second as well. Offensive board Aguilar. Number 81. Good defense Malolos. Better offense for Aguilar. 13-24. Orelito. Malolos.
Ano yan? 87.
There is
Lance po. Sino? Sino Lance po?
Ayun, mali.
Sino dyan?
Violet. Ayun o, 30.
Kaya niya 3 minutes yung Lance po. Lance po.
Number 30, unsportsmanlike foul.
Garcia.
Pahinga muna ng 3 minutes. Number 30, change player.
Sub.
3 minutes.
Malolos will go to first. We're on the second penalty period. Official tally is 30-25.
13 seconds on the shot clock. Alicay. Federico. Blanco. Blancador. Shot clock violation. Aguilar. Aguilar, no good. Rebound Villalon. He gets his own miss. Federico gets the rebound. Turnover. Torrenueva. Aguilar. Sa ilalim. Aguilar. Basket is good for Aguilar. 22-25. Federico. Go. Save. Pilot ball. Last touch on
Ayun,
black.
parang si Chog Blue, yung 23. Yung 17 years old, sinasabi mo. Parang si Chog Blue rin yung katawan.
Mas malaki pa si Chog dyan.
Talaga.
Nakita ko na
Pero ganyan yung katawan na rin. Bakit yung katawan?
Torrenueva.
Pang shirt niya katawan nun.
Talaga.
Aguilar.
Nakita ko nun sa personal.
Go. Rebound ay Kaide. Agawan. Aguilar, wala pa rin. Third service. Let's go.
Tsaka matangkad. Mga 5'11".
Under 2 minutes.
Kaya talagang ang galing ang
Ay Kaide.
Mapanood mo sa personal yung version ko, babe.
Oo, napanood ko na yun.
Sa NYBL eh.
Pampanga, nandun na yun. Nanood kami
Blanco.
personal.
Go. Malolos. Agawan. All alone is Aguilar for the easy two. 34-25.
Tangkad na mga 5'11", 6'.
Siyang ng kalamangan.
Kaya siya kay Pogi din eh. Kaya may sikat eh.
Blanco. Malolos. 11 seconds to shoot. Malolos. Go.
Tsaka simple lang yung laro yun. Ang galing kasi magaling.
Shooter.
Meron pa.
Villalon. Makes his move. Go. Malolos to the board. Naagaw. Federico. Foul on number 9.
Ay, hindi.
For Panthers.
Nakasit daw eh, sabi diba?
Bossing nila na sila ng
Number 9. Si Castro.
Number 9.
Second.
That is his second personal foul. 13 foul.
Wala na rin yung oras eh yun.
12 to shoot.
Naagawan. Turnover. Zavala. Torrenueva. Pulls up. No. Federico with the ball. That's 15 seconds. Naagaw pa rin number 9. De Castro. 10 seconds. Aguilar. All the way. That's 5 seconds. seconds.
Pero sa tingin ko, tumaba na siya. Siguro nung player pa siya, hindi siya ganyan kataba.
End of the second quarter. Official score is 38-25 in favor of Team Panthers.
Si Anina, di ko napindot eh. Baka napindot ko ng dalawa. Naglag yung ano. Ayaw! Di kasi naglag yung nakarana naman. 19. O, set-pisay mo pa yan.
Jay.
Ayaw nga. Kala di ko maglalaro. Pumunta ka. Kala ko di ko maglalaro doon. Kala ko maglalaro. Kailan mo lang kami doon? Sa Bilagman. Ang kaso pumito si Bernales.
Si Luya.
Hindi, okay lang. Kaso ano, wrong call last. Nagkamali lang sa ano. Yung senior rep, hindi ba yung tao? Pabor na sa amin yung tao. Bernales.
Back to the ball game. Start of our third quarter. No. Rebound Iglesias. Quickly to Senoy. Senoy. Reverse na yung result for Tuloy. 15 na ang kalangangan, 14-25. Rondina with the basketball. Rana. 13 on the shot clock. 9 to shoot. Low. Rebound, Medallon. Iglesias. Iglesias. Medallon. The big guy. Raise up. No. Rebound Esperanza. Rana. Garcia. Garcia. Raise up. No. Savoy gets the rebound. Turnover. Rana. Rana. Go. Rebound Iglesias. Iglesias. Number 16 fire.
Talagang pagkalbo. Para si Dexter.
For Panthers. 8 minutes and 7 minutes third. 14 on the shot clock. Here's Soriano. Soriano lays up. But there's a foul on number 11, Iglesias.
Hoy, bagong balik yun si kay Dexter. Problema sa
That is his second personal foul. First team
Kaya yun eh.
foul.
Pumar na lang, pampurma ko na.
2 free throws from number 24,
Sa
Soriano.
piniritan ko. Mabait din eh.
Hoy, first team foul.
Sige nga.
Cannot convert on this first attempt is Soriano.
Si Romnick, ni Derby, boss.
Wala. May ano. May sira daw yung motor niya.
Second throw. In and out. 0 out of 2. Iglesias.
Bago dati ko ng motor.
Rivalry violation. From Louis Machacha is number 8. Taylor. Soriano. Esperanza. Esperanza.
Dami daw niya eh.
Save ball. On the shot clock. Rana. Rana fires. Good. Rebound Soriano. Soriano drives. Soriano no good. Rebound number 16. Nakuha ni Rana. Rana sa
Nice
ilalim.
pass.
Garcia, block from behind. Get that out of here. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot for MGM. Rondina. Rondina fires. Rebound Vidalion. The big guy Vidalion. Post to post. Vidalion. Rebound Rana. Rana to Garcia. Garcia spins. Garcia scores! That's a foul on number 11, Iglesias. That is his third personal foul, second team foul.
Counted yun kaya.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 35, Garcia.
Patalo.
Cannot complete the 3-point play is Garcia.
Sino ang kapit doon?
There's a challenge is 43 to 27. Cash. Go. Rebound Garcia. Soriano. Soriano is up. No. Rebound number 16. Number 16. Manaya. Manaya. Pass. Go. Put back to the other. Second serving. Same ball.
Pero nakalaro.
With 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds on the shot clock.
Pagdating ko doon nagmamag.
Ang ganda ng pasa. No! Sabay na lang dito ng basket.
Oo, nagkagan kita ko siya. Ito ko na naglaro.
Rontina. Garcia, easy two.
Yes, so skills.
43 to 29. Seroy. On the corner, number 16. Alabi ko ba? And there's a foul downstairs.
7.
On number 10, Rana.
Rana? Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Hindi ka happy mo, sino pa?
14 on the shot clock. Number 16, all alone. Number 46 to 29. Benito, loses the handle. Number 16 gets the loose ball. Manayo gets the pass. Manayo goes up. Manayo scores. The bank of the Zodiac for Manayo. 48 to 29 is our
Ito sa
official
sa
scoring.
pala namin, magaling mag-boarding.
Number 3 points na yun. Number 16.
Garcia, 15 on the shot clock. Garcia, Benito. Benito shoots. Go. Viva Vidalion. Lucas to Cas. Cas is up. Yes, sir!
Time out daw, time out.
Dead goal, dead goal.
Garcia. Garcia. Same basketball.
Time out.
Timeout, Team
Yes.
MGX. Official score is 15 to 29 in favor of Team Panthers. who scored 46 in the third quarter. Back to the ballgame. Garcia, good. Goes the layup. Alcaide. Alcaide scores. 15 to 31. Our official tally, 4.5 minutes. Benito gets the ball.
Kaya.
Benito. Benito shoots. But there is a foul called on number 26.
26.
Number 26, that is his first personal foul.
Third.
13 foul.
Sino siya ito yun?
2 free throws for Benito.
Gigil kasi ito ni Gago.
Second shot is good. 1 out of 2 for Benito, making the tally 50 to 32. 7 minutes out.
Gaz
3-1 break. Blanca Flor. Ebenito. No. Goes the layup. Rebound Vidalion. Vidalion. Number 14. Number 14. Good pass. Number 9. Castro. 10 seconds. Vidalion.
Traveling.
Malolos pulls up. Logan. Rebound. Alcaide. Offensive foul on number 5. Alcaide.
Second.
That is his second personal foul.
Third team po.
Hindi, walang team ko lang.
First, wala pala. Ay, mali pala.
Sarili niya.
Vidalion. Aguilar. Aguilar drives baseline, passes his way. Aguilar, no. Rebound Alcaide. Bad pass. That is the long guy. Vidalion decides to shoot. Vidalion! 32. 2 minutes and 28. Turnover. Vidalion. Salmeron. Salmeron. No. Rebound Alcaide. Alcaide. Garcia. 2 points. 53 to 34. Here's number 81, Aguilar. Aguilar. Aguilar drives. Aguilar lane. Aguilar 55 to 34. Under 2 minutes remaining in the third.
Sino ang kapit mo dyan? Di pa kayo Di mo.
Benito. Benito ng basketball. Benito to Blanca Flor. Goes up. Rebound Aguilar. Vidalion. Back to Vidalion.
Si Ivan lang malaki.
Aguilar. Number 26.
Isa yun lang.
Rebound Blanca Flor. 2-on-2 break. Good ball. Pass. Habang Vidalion. Vidalion. Oh! Traveling violation. 1 step too many for Vidalion. Turnover. Alcaide. Goes up. No way off the mark. Garcia. Goes back 2.
Rebound and 2 points.
Number 36. Vidalion. 15 seconds off the shot clock. Vidalion shoots.
Malabo na
Rebound
yan.
Blanca Flor. Rebound Blanca break. Garcia. Blanca Flor. Benito fires. Blocked. Block shot for Vidalion. Vidalion goes to goal. Go. Aguilar. Aguilar. Go. Aguilar. Rebound Garcia. There is a foul on number 9, De Castro.
Number 9. Third.
That is his third personal foul, warning for penalty. That's 8.5 seconds. Alcaide stops. 3 seconds. Benito shoots. Way off the mark. And the third quarter, our official score is 55 to 36 in favor of the Panthers.
Sabi ko, wala ko ba? Kasi siya yung nagigigil eh. Siya yung nagsasalita.
Start
This is our first game of the evening.
Laging tama yan, parang babae yan eh.
Bandora ka sa tawag ko.
Parang babae.
Benedito.
Bola namin, tapos ginagawa
Soriano.
Basta nakikita ko sa inyo.
Garcia with 10 seconds to shoot. Go! Rebound number 21. Number 30, Garcia, another one. Go! Rebound number 91. Solis. Same basketball. With 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Good guy. 3 seconds in the key. Turnover. Benedito. Benedito. Blanco. James Blanco. Malakas. Rebound. Esperanza. Esperanza. Supalpal. Number 35. Garcia. No. Rebound ni Leon. Garcia with the basketball. Sa ilalim. Anticipated pass. Nakakuha ni Zavala. Nakakuha ni Soriano. Sloppy basketball. Soriano. Soriano. Itanong mo. Oh, good. Same basketball. 15-14 on the shot clock. That pass. Soriano gets the loose ball. Esperanza. Garcia. From the Rainbow Country. Another. Blanco. Benedito. Benedito spins. Shoots. Go. Rebound ni Leon. Leon. Number 23. That shot is good for number 23. Number 22 rather. Torrenueva. Official score is 60-36. With 7:48. Soriano. 15 to shoot. Soriano. Benedito. Blanco. James Blanco. Soriano, 5 seconds to shoot. Soriano, fire! Soriano score! In the nick of time is Soriano making our official score 60-38. 7 minutes and 21. 22 big points. No. Dinalion, the big guy, takes, shoots, foul. Foul on Blanco, number 0. That is the second personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. No good on the first attempt is Villalon. Second throw, the second judgment, 1 out of 2. For Villalon, making our official tally 61-38.
Hindi ako, announcer lang ako dito. Dito kayo may pag-usap.
Soriano. Garcia. Go. Solis gets the loose ball.
Nagawa sa hapsap.
22. Torrenueva. Torrenueva. 64-38. Our official tally is 6-40. Rana. Rana. Nagawa ni Zavala. Go Zavala. Zavala. Vidalion into. No.
Time out. MGX.
Timeout. Team MGX. Official score is 66-38 in favor of Team Panthers. With just 6 minutes and 22 in our final quarter.
pinakita lang eh.
Back to Logan. Ninety on the shot clock.
Gusto na kayo, gusto.
Rana signaling the play. Rana decides to fire. Rebound Manayaw. Dinalion. Dinalion. Aguilar. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Aguilar. Hello. Rebound Rana. Rana, 15 on the shot clock. Cortina. Rana, 8 to shoot. Garcia, what a pass. Very big assist for Rana. 2 points, Garcia. Here's Vidalion. 19 to shoot. Iglesias. Manayaw. No. Rebound Garcia. Garcia 2 on 3 break. Garcia gets the post. Garcia scores. 66 to 42. Manayaw. Manayaw is out. Manayaw no good. Manolos gets the ball. Garcia gets the pass. Garcia all the way. Garcia no good. Garcia put back no good. Aguilar. Aguilar number 81. Aguilar shoots. No. Rebound Rana. Soriano. Soriano. All the way. Timeout. Team Panthers. Official score is 66 to 42 in favor of Team Panthers with 4 minutes and 41 remaining in the quarter. 44, 66-44. Back to the game. Iglesias, Aguilar.
Logate ng mga to. Lakas sana si Banban.
23.
Pag wala si Banban, kaya na.
Bakit mga to?
Rebound Malolos. Garcia with the basketball. Behind the back. 2 on 3. 3 on 3. Garcia. Hey. Garcia. No. Close the layup. Iglesias. Iglesias.
Pakasana.
Manayaw. 36 to Iglesias. 68-44. Rontina. Rontina tinabong sa likod. No good, Garcia. Rebound Vidalion. Apat kayo! Iglesias. Dito ka magsabi. Announcer lang ako dito, pre. Dito ka magsabi, oh. Vidalion. Manayaw.
Yung magsabi dito, di ko ibabaster yan. Bahala kayo sa
Manayaw. Manayaw. Wala pa rin.
Ano ba, Sam?
Oh, stop.
Soriano. Soriano. 2 points, Soriano. What's
Sam.
about? On number 26.
Sam.
Substitution.
Pasok na, pasok.
Substitution. Bonus free throw awarded to number 24, Soriano.
Isa lang yan, Kev, ha? Buwasan natin.
No good on the 3-point attempt. Vidalion gets it pass. With 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's number 4, Manayaw. Supporter. Stepping in the line. 17-46. With 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Alcaide. No. Rebound Vidalion. Number 23, Vidalion. Vidalion. The pass. Short shot. Rebound Alcaide. Diamond ball. Turnover back.
Stepping.
Stepping.
Go! Offensive ball. Number 14. Alcaide. Short. Monaya. Aguilar. Wise taking the foul. Game second. 15 on the shot clock. Vinayon. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Rebound Aguilar. Aguilar. Shot clock violation.
Hindi tumama. Sub. Hindi tumama.
Substitution.
Umikot lang.
Benedito. Soriano Logan. Rebound pass. Pass. Violation. From the backside of the one player string with the score. 72 to 46. Our official tally. Benedito stands on the gas. Benedito no good. Offensive board Soriano. Sa ilalim, Benedito. Blocked by number 16. Manayan na ang basketball. Manayan. Pass. That's two. Blocked by Benedito. Malolos. Shoots. Malolos scores. 72 to 48. With 53 seconds remaining in the fourth. Araneta. Number 15, Sameron. Rebound, Soriano.
Sayang.
37 seconds. Soriano. Rondina. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 seconds to shoot. 32.5 on the game clock. Benedito receives that inbound. Benedito, three! 72 to 51. Here's Araneta from the parking lot. Way off the mark. Rebound Malolos. Benedito gets the ball. Benedito to Rondina. Rondina fumbles. Garcia, no good. Second serving, blows the layup. 2 points. Last 6 seconds. Araneta. Soriano. End of the ball game. Official score is 72 to 53. Winner is Team Panther.